this is problem number 5. Let us start solving this. Find the average of first 9 prime numbers. So we are supposed to find the average of first 9 prime numbers. So know what exactly the prime number. Prime numbers are the numbers which is divisible by 1 and itself, right? So those kind of number. So 1 is not a prime number, right? So first, so we need to find first 9 prime numbers. Let us start working on it. 2, and this is the only even prime number. Then 3, 5, 7, 9 is divisible by 3 and 3, right? That's what it is not a prime number. Then 11, then 13, 15 is divisible by 3 and 5, so we can't take that. Then 17, 19. Let me check out how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then 21 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 7 and as well as 3. So then 23. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now add it. You know what is average? Average is equal to sum of observation divided by number of observation, right? So that is nothing but 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 11 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 23, that divided by 9. Now add it. So 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 11, 17 plus 11 is 28, right? 28 plus 3, 28, 38, 41, 41, 48, 48 plus 58, 58, 68, 77, 80, right? And 100. This is 100 by 9. Then cross check once again. So 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 19, 19 plus 3, 22, 23, 23, 30, 35, 35, 50, 40, 0, 4 cat, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, that is 100. So now if you divide, it is going to be 11 9s are point, right? You can go with this 100 divided by 9, 9 11s are 99, we got 1.0, 9 1s are 9, 1, so it will go like this, 11.11 r. What you can do, you can keep it in a mixed fraction also, consider up to here only 1, up to here only. That is nothing but how you are going to place, that is nothing but Q or D. What is quotient here? 11. What is remainder? That is 1. What is divider? 9. So this is the answer. 11 1 by 9 or 11.11. This is the answer for this.